Good evening, students. So good evening all of you. So welcome to Unacademy EAMCET YouTube channel, students. Myself Dr.Rajendra Prasad, biology educator on Unacademy platform, and I have been teaching biology to medical aspirants from last 13 years, students. So in today's class, we'll be discussing about the family. So that is the name of the family is called as Liliaceae family. So we'll see some general characteristics of the particular family, that is Liliaceae. So previously also we have discussed about the Fabaceae family as well as Solanaceae family in the previous sessions. Let us see in this session we'll be discussing about the Liliaceae family in this particular session, students. So before starting the class, I would like to introduce about our Unacademy Plus subscription. So as usual, so Unacademy is providing free live YouTube classes, students, every day. Apart from that, Unacademy is also providing free special classes on its Unacademy EAMCET app, students. Apart from that, there is a well-designed course. So well-designed course is already started on Unacademy EAMCET Plus platform, students. So it is for the students who subscribe our Unacademy Plus courses. So let us see what is the benefits of this Unacademy Plus courses on our platform, students. So what is the benefit? If you see the benefits of Unacademy Plus subscription is, so premium content. So premium content will be available at affordable price. Then a structured live courses and dedicated live doctrine session will be present, students. So after every 2 theory classes, third class will be a doctrine session in our Unacademy Plus platform, students. Then quizzes will also be conducted at regular intervals, and students are means you can prefer those batches of lecturer batches if you are interested. So you can go with a batch which you are interested, students. So test series for daily practice papers are also made available on our website. So these all you can get for a single subscription amount of per 1 month plan, that is 2,250 rupees, students. So 1 month trial plan you can go for 1 month trial plan, that is 2,250 rupees. So recently there is one batch. So batch course was started. The name of the batch is called as Telugu batch. So in this batch, all the teachers, you can see all the educators, all the top educators will be taking class in our native language in Telugu. So they will be teaching the classes in Telugu language. So certainly it will benefit for the students, so they can easily understand the native language in Telugu. So, and what is the main motto of this Telugu batch is to teach the lessons in Telugu, at the same time to complete the syllabus. So complete the syllabus in some design specific time. So well designed course and when scheduled course is going on. So tips and tricks also will be given by the educator, students. So and the main purpose of this batch is to target the students for the next year medical and as well as engineering entrance examination. If you are interested to subscribe the 1 month trial price, you can use my code Rajendra Live. So if you use my code Rajendra Live, you can get the 1 month trial price for 2,250 rupees, students. So apart from that, there is another batch course already started. So the name of the batch is called as a comprehensive batch course. So comprehensive batch, and in that comprehensive batch course, if you see in the comprehensive batch course, so I am taking the biology classes. So I am taking the biology classes. You see here. So sir will be taking physics and sir will be taking the chemistry classes. And main purpose of this batch course is also to complete the syllabus. The main purpose is to complete the syllabus, and tips and tricks will be given by educators and topic wise practice papers. So topic wise practice questions and full length mock test. So this is all you can get a 1 month plan. So this is all you can get for a 1 month plan of 2,250 rupees, students. So that is about this comprehensive batch. If you are interested, you can use my code Rajendra Live. So a long term plans are also made available, that is 6 months plan and as well as 12 months plan. 6 months plan, you will get a 6 months plan for an amount of 10,125 rupees and a 12 months plan of about 12,375 rupees. So you can go for this plans if you are interested. So long term plans, these are the best cheapest plans, students. No other this particular online coaching offers you a 6 months plan for 10,000 rupees. It's a very least amount, student. I suggest you to use this opportunity and get benefit out of this by using my code Rajendra Live. You can purchase the 6 months plan of 10,125 rupees and 12 months plan for 12,375 rupees, students. So this is about our Unacademy Plus subscription, students. So it is a very less amount, and it is a best opportunity for you to get the best classes, getting for a very least amount of 6,000 for 6 months and 12,000 for 12 months course. So let's start our course. So let's start the today's lesson, that is Liliaceae family. So let us discuss the today's topic. So in today's class, so we are going to discuss about the topic. The name of the topic is called as the Liliaceae. So Liliaceae. So Liliaceae, if you see, this is the plant. So this is the plant. So you can see this is the plant which represents the Liliaceae member. So that is, or this particular plant, there is onion plant. So the name of the plant, this plant, you can see there is this onion plant. So you can see this is a onion plant. So this Liliaceae, the name of this is commonly known as, this Liliaceae is commonly known as a lily family. So it is commonly known as a lily family. And this Liliaceae members are no doubt they are angiosperms. So angiosperms, they are no doubt they are angiosperms, and specifically these angiosperms, and specifically they belongs to monocots. So they are monocots. So we have seen previously two families. We have discussed previously about two families. We have discussed about Fabaceae, we have discussed about Solanaceae. So Fabaceae and Solanaceae both are belonging to dicotyledons, but Liliaceae members belongs to monocotyledon. So they have only single cotyledon. Monocotyledon indicates that particular members of the family, their seed is having only single cotyledon. Such type of plants are called as a monocotyledon. So anyhow, so this Liliaceae family, so there is a common name. So it is commonly called as a lily family. So lily is included in this family, and it is called as a lily family. And it is a monocotyledon. So these are monocotyledons. Then it is distributed. So Liliaceae members are distributed all over the world. So they are distributed worldwide. So Liliaceae members are distributed worldwide. So Liliaceae members are worldwide distributed, students. So they distribute everywhere. So that is the reason we can call it as a cosmopolitan. So they use a term that is called as a cosmopolitan. Means they distributed all over the world. Then we call it as a cosmopolitan. So these members also can be called as a cosmopolitan. So let us see some vegetative characteristics. Of these particular members. So if you see the vegetative characteristics, so some of them are perennial herbs. So they are herbs. And the type of herbs specifically they are called as a perennial herbs. Then so they are perennial herbs with underground bulb. So stem. So stem, you can see that this one type of bulb here. Then similarly some members are forming the corms. There are also forms, and some are the rhizome. So stems, underground stems, the majority of these members are having the underground stem, and the main purpose is to food storage. So they were mainly involved in the storage of the food material. So these are exhibiting. So members of this particular Liliaceae members, they have underground bulbs, like especially the onion or garlic, and corms. Some members showing the corms, and some members showing like colchicum, and similarly some members are exhibiting the rhizome. So underground stem. So these are exhibited by these members of the Liliaceae family. Then if you see the leaves, so leaves are mostly basal. So leaves are arranged, mostly they are originated from the base. So basal types, the leaves of types are basal, and leaves are arranged alternatively. So you can see the diagram also, leaves are arranged alternatively. So leaves on the particular stem is arranged alternately. So they are linear. And as well as exstipulate. So exstipulate here it clearly indicates that stipules are absent. So when stipules are absent, so we call it as a exstipulate. So stipules are absent in this case, and particularly the venation. If you see the venation, it is a parallel venation. So parallel venation is exhibited by these members. So parallel venation, if you see the parallel venation is a character feature. Parallel venation is a character feature of the monocotyledonous members. So majority of monocotyledon members exhibit parallel venation. If you see the dicot members exhibit the reticulate venation. So we previously have seen about Solanaceae and Fabaceae members. Solanaceae and Fabaceae members, they are exhibiting the reticulate venation. So they are showing the reticulate venation. So these Liliaceae members, they are exhibiting parallel venation. So that is a character feature of the monocotyledons. As this member Liliaceae belongs to monocotyledon, so it is also showing the parallel venation. So if you see the vegetative characteristics once again, so majority of them are herbs and they are perennial herbs. So then they with so these are perennial herbs, so that means they store the food materials for survival for a long time. So that is that purpose is that is called as a perenniation. So they have underground stems. They have underground stems like rhizome, corms, and as well as bulbs. So main purpose is to store the food materials. So leaves are present. If you see the nature of the leaves are basal in nature. They are alternatively arranged. So they are without stipules and they exhibit a specific type of venation. The type of venation is called as a parallel venation. So this parallel venation is a character feature of the monocotyledon plants. Then let us see about the floral characteristics. So let us see about the floral characteristics. So floral characteristics, nothing but it is about the flower. If you see the flowers, if you see the flower floral characteristics, so inflorescence, you can see this is the inflorescence in this particular. So this particular diagram. So this particular diagram is showing umbel. So umbel type of inflorescence you can see here. This is the best example to show the umbel inflorescence, like in onion or even garlic. You can find the umbel type of inflorescence. And in some plants, so solitary single flower will be present. And as it is a monocot plant, so monocots are characterized by having the cymose type of inflorescence. Generally dicots exhibit the racemose type of inflorescence, whereas cymose type of inflorescence is exhibited by the monocots. So majority of them certainly exhibit the cymose type of inflorescence because as it is belonging to monocot plant. And specifically umbellate. So umbellate clusters are found in numbers like onion. So or if flower is single, so single flower is present at the tip of the particular stem, so it is a solitary flower also might be present. Then so generally if you see the flower, it is a bisexual. So both androecium and as well as gynoecium, they are both present in the same flower. Such type of flowers are called as a bisexual flowers. So as usual they are also bisexual flowers. And if you see the symmetry, so it is actinomorphic symmetry. So actinomorphic symmetry, if you see the character feature of an actinomorphic symmetry, if you cut the flower, so if you cut the flower in any direction, so we'll get two equal halves. Such type of symmetry is called as a actinomorphic symmetry. So this particular flower of this Liliaceae member also exhibits actinomorphic symmetry. So means if we cut the flower in any direction, it produces equal halves. So this is the flower of Liliaceae member. You can see this is a typical flower of a Liliaceae member. So it is a bisexual. So you are having stamens and at the you'll be having the gynoecium also. So both will be present. So it is a bisexual flower. So let us see about the perianth. So before that, so previously like in Liliaceae members and as well as Solanaceae members, we have seen calyx and corolla, but here we don't have calyx and corolla, or we don't have sepals and petals. So both calyx and corolla are fused actually in these Liliaceae members. So calyx and corolla. So calyx and as well as corolla. So both are fused. So both are fused and that is called as a, and it is known as perianth actually. It is called as a perianth. So both calyx and corolla together is called as a perianth. So so similarly perianth is also called as a tepal. So perianth is other name for perianth. It is also called as a tepal. So perianth is also called as a tepal. So if you see what is a tepal, so again the same thing, sepals. So sepals plus petals, sepals plus petals together is called as a tepal. So fusion, F-U-S-A-O-N, fusion, okay. So fusion of calyx and corolla, when calyx and corolla fuse together, it forms a specific structure. The name of this specific structure is called as a perianth. So that is called as a perianth. So what is a perianth means? It is the product that is formed by fusion of calyx and corolla. So both calyx and corolla are fused to form a specific structure. The type of specific structure is called as a perianth, or it is also called as a tepal. So as we already know, calyx is called as a sepal and corolla is called as a petal. So fusion, F-U-S-A-O-N, fusion between sepals and petals is called as a tepal. So tepals, so here perianth are tepals. So presence of tepals or presence of perianth is a character feature of Liliaceae members. So whereas in Fabaceae and Solanaceae we don't find any perianth or tepal. So presence of perianth and tepal is a character feature of the Liliaceae members. Then if you see the perianth, so if you can clearly count the perianth. So if you see the perianth, So there are 3 plus 3 means they are present in 2 whorls. So you can see this is so 1 perianth, so 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. So 6 perianth. So 6 perianth are there. So it is given in 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 means 2 whorls. See, you can check this one, this one. 1 is towards inside, and again 3 is towards inside, and again 5 is towards inside. So this is 1 whorl. So 1 plus 3 plus 5, that is in 1 whorl. And you can see the numbers like 2. 2 is outside, 2 perianth, second, this perianth is outside, 4 perianth is outside, 6 is also towards outside. So that 3 perianth is outside. So they are arranged in 2 whorls. In one whorl you have 3 perianth. In another whorl you have another 3 tuples or perianth. So that is the reason it is given by 3 plus 3. So 3 plus 3 condition was given. And majority of these Liliaceae members exhibit, the perianth of majority of Liliaceae members exhibit valvate distribution. But if you see this diagram, this particular perianth, this particular diagram, or this particular diagram, this particular floral diagram that was showing here, this is of onion, and it's not showing valvate distribution actually. So it is showing actually, you can see the perianth, some are towards inner side and some are totally outside. It is showing the imbricate distribution. Actually it is not showing valvate distribution, but majority of members of Liliaceae exhibits valvate distribution. So that is the reason the valvate distribution was given there actually. Okay, then let us see about androecium. So let us see about androecium in this particular given floral diagram. So let us see about androecium. So if you see the androecium, you can see here the anthers are present. So like butterfly shaped anthers are present. So these anthers, if you count like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6. So you are having 6. So 6 anthers are present. So you can clearly see that. So stamens. So stamens includes filament plus anther. So 6 stamens or 6 anthers, and they are in 3 plus 3 arrangement. So they are also 3 plus 3 arrangement. They are in also in 2 whorls. Okay. So they are in 2 whorls actually, 3 plus 3 arrangement. Next, see the gynoecium. So this part, now this central part is called as a gynoecium. Now in this gynoecium you can see, so it is having 3 carpels. So this is one carpel, and this is another carpel, and this is another carpel. So you are having 3 carpels. So it is exhibiting tricarpellary condition. So you can see tricarpellary condition. Then the carpels are in a fused state. So carpels, we have seen the carpels. So carpels in fused. So carpels are in a fused state. So when carpels are in a fused state, such type of ovary, so such type of ovary is called as syncarpous ovary. So you can see in the diagram, the carpels are in a fused, they are not freely arranged, they are in a fused state. Such condition is called syncarpous ovary. So carpels are in a fused state, such condition is called as syncarpous ovary. And of course, it is superior ovary. So in this type of ovary, superior ovary. Then it's a trilocular. So you have 3 locules. So you can see here 3 locules are there. 1, 2, 3 compartments of 3 locules. It is trilocular. And inside the locule we have, see here in this diagram we are able to see 2 ovules in each locule. But there might be more in case of some members. So because of that, it is exhibiting specific placentation. So majority of these Liliaceae members, they are exhibiting axial placentation. So placentation, the arrangement of ovules in an ovary is called as a placentation. So once again I am telling you what is placentation means. Arrangement of ovules in an ovary is called as placentation. And there are different types of placentations are there. And axial placentation is a character feature of Liliaceae members. So axial placentation is a character feature of this Liliaceae members. So Liliaceae members are exhibiting the character feature of axial placentation. So axial placentation is a character feature of the Liliaceae members actually. So that is the character feature of Liliaceae members. Then, so let us see the type of fruit in these particular members. If you see the type of fruit, so you see there is a type of fruit is capsule, and rarely it is berry. And if you see the seeds of Liliaceae members, they are endospermic in nature. So endosperm is present inside the seed. So completely endosperm is not utilized. Some part of the endosperm is left over where development of seed. So such type of seeds are called as endospermic seeds. So this type of seeds are endospermic seeds. So fruit is capsule and rarely it is berry in nature. Then let us discuss about floral formula. If you see this particular floral formula. So So this symbol indicating that it is an actinomorphic flower. Then this is bisexual. Then perianth, we already have discussed perianth. So 3 plus 3 arrangement. So perianth is in Horus 3 plus 3 arrangement. Then you see androecium. So androecium is also 3 plus 3, and gynoecium. If you see the gynoecium is also tricarpellary. So it is tricarpellary. So then actually some members like this one symbol will be there actually. So here epitapalis condition. Epitapalis condition is observed. That is the character feature of Liliaceae members. Epitapalis condition. So what is this epitapalis condition means? Stamens are fused. So stamens. So here A. So A is there. No? A means sandwich. Stamens are fused actually. So what is epitapalis condition means? Stamens. So stamens are fused. Stamens are fused with tepal or perianth. The stamens are fused with tepal or perianth. Such condition is called as a epitapalis. So epitapalis condition is a character feature of Liliaceae members. So last class we were discussing about Solanaceae members. So that is Solanaceae members also. We were discussing that the stamens are fused with petals. Such condition is called epipetalis. And here it is epitapalis. Epitapalis condition is a character feature of this particular Liliaceae members. Similarly, gynoecium, so gynoecium is superior and it is tricarpellary, and as it is shown in bracket, when it is kept in bracket, this indicates that it is a syncarpus. So carpels are in a fused state. So syncarpus ovary, it indicates it is in bracket, means it indicates it is a syncarpus. It is syncarpus ovary. So let us see about economic importance. So hi Fahad, how are you? So I am good. So hope you are also doing well and you are good. So Fahad, you can join our Unacademy special live classes. So in our this particular sessions, below there is a description box is there. There you will get a link to join the special free live classes. So you can join the special free live classes, students. So you can go to the link description box and join the special free live classes on our Unacademy EAMCET website. So let us see some economic importance. Of these members. So some members of these particular Liliaceae members, they act as ornamental plants. So ornamental plants like tulip and glorias act as ornamental plants. Similarly, some members act as a medicine. So aloe vera is acting as a medicine. So some are used as vegetables. So like asparagus is consumed as a vegetables. Similarly, colchicine. So colchicine is used in the laboratory. So it is used in the laboratory to study the chromosomes. So when this colchicine is extracted from colchicum, so when it doubles chromosome number. So what is the importance of colchicine is it doubles chromosome number. It doubles chromosome number and stops cell division. So it stops cell division. That is a character feature of colchicine. So when scientists were studying the cell divisions of different plants and as well plants especially, so when they applied colchicine, what happens is it stops the cell division and it doubles the chromosome number. It doubles doubles the chromosome number and stops the cell division. So that is the important character feature of this colchicine. So and most important thing is which is the medicinal plant belonging to Liliaceae, means it is aloe vera. It is used in several medicines related to skin, treat the skin infections and hair growth and everything. So that is about our Liliaceae family, students. So this is the end of today's Liliaceae family discussion. So before closing, once again I would like to introduce about our Unacademy long-term plans, students. So Unacademy is providing the best long-term plans. For best price students, it is 10,000 6 months plan. 6 months plan costing about 10,125 rupees, and 12 months plan is costing about 12,375 rupees, students. So these are the best plans. So these are the best plans. I suggest you to purchase these best plans, students. Certainly this much less amount. So no online classes will give for a less amount, students. So try to utilize this offer, students, and go learn the classes from the top educators of India. So that is about today's Liliaceae family discussion, students. So thank you, students. Thank you. We'll see the new topic in coming classes. So thank you, students, all of you. Bye bye and take care.